When AI handles the what, you get to own the why and the now what. For me, this has been energizing. It pushes me to focus on my storytelling, to say, what does this insight unlock? But more importantly, we've redefined what our researchers actually do. With that time back, we've shifted from being insights providers to strategic partners. Our researchers are embedding in cross-functional teams, not just dropping in for a quick study, but staying close to the business decisions. We're joining meetings earlier, influencing product development, collaborating with marketers before the campaign launches. This visibility means we're not just reacting, we're in the room helping shape things. And that's great for our clients. They get faster answers with richer thinking and stronger partnership. So yes, we love that AI made us faster, but what it really matters is it made us as researchers more valuable. So let's bring this home with what this all means for you as a researcher. I want to leave you with this idea. AI doesn't make you less essential. It makes you more powerful. It isn't taking your job. It's helping you do your best work. So if used right, AI gives you your best research self, more focused, more strategic, more aligned with decision-making. You get the time back for thinking, not formatting. That means the room for curiosity, creativity, and challenge. You're getting sharper insights because you can iterate faster, refine more often, and zoom out on the so what. You build better alignment. There's less time spent building decks and more time connecting the insights to decisions. And most of all, you show up as a strategic presence. When AI handles the what, you get to own the why and the now what. For me, this has been energizing. It pushes me to focus on my storytelling, to say, what does this insight unlock? Instead of just saying, what does the data say? So if you're wondering where researchers fit in the age of AI, here's your answer: front and center. And with AI at your side, you're not just surviving the future, you're shaping it.